So there's this kid at my house. I don't really know him. He's like 2, 3? I don't know. But he's obsessed with dinosaurs. And he threw his stuffed animal dinosaur onto my roof. I don't think he knows it's up there though. He just threw it up in the air. And when it didn't come down, he forgot about it. Like forgot he threw it up there. I think he's my neighbor. I don't know, because I don't get out of the house, but no, JK. I think his name is Ian, but he's spelled weird. Like, weird. Like E-A-N instead of I-A-N. Weird. And his parents asked me to babysit him without paying me at my own mom's birthday party. No. Just no. Not gonna happen. So, I don't know. There's kind of like a dinosaur on my roof. I ain't getting it down. If he wants it, he's gonna climb up there and get it himself. Because I have my own things to do. He also broke my horse. Yeah, I have a horse. It's in my basement. Its name is Butterscotch. Gay. Yeah, so Ian was playing on it. And he pulled his ear off. And this is my horse we're talking about. My horse. I found it in my car. But it's like as tall as me. For real, friend. Yeah. And I can't get the ear back on. And that was my horse. My horse. And girl, they better buy me a new one. Because that was my horse. My horse. So obviously I don't like this kid. Why he keeps coming to my house, I don't know. But for reals, it's annoying. Annoying. Oh my gosh, he's in my house now. Oh my gosh, I told my parents to keep him outside. Where his parents are. This kid is crazy. So, wish me luck.